Today is the 23 July 2025. Today we continue keyboard class with my boy Sanglun. Now he is 9 years old. Today we practice right hand beat and left hand finger how to play bass. Today he is going to play ba ba black sheep right hand beat and left hand bass. Left hand finger bass. Sanglun, please start. Correct.